Hi, today we take a closer look at Beyond Carts. Our app introduces a cart functionality into your Business Central. These carts can be used to optimize processes in your business. Are you curious to learn more? In under 5 minutes, I'll show you how this app can benefit you, highlight its key features, and walk you through exactly how it works. In Beyond Carts, a cart is like a temporary shopping basket used inside your Business Central. It lets employees collect and organize items they need to order, such as goods, supplies, or consumables, without immediately placing a purchase order. Overall, a cart helps streamline purchasing processes by giving staff an easy way to collect and manage item requests before turning them into purchase orders. So, what does this mean for your company? Beyond Carts helps you to accumulate item lines for a vendor, so you can negotiate with higher item quantities to achieve better discounts and lower unit prices. Enable full control over your item stock. Eliminate low stocks during orders, and get rid of communication gaps between your departments. Additionally, bundling item needs and deliveries streamlines logistics and reduces warehouse effort, benefiting both you and your vendors. Improve order planning with multi-cart management by adjusting quantities to packaging units and using the recurring items feature, ensuring you never run out of stock and enabling accurate, flexible planning for future purchase orders. To unlock the full potential of Beyond Carts, begin by configuring the settings on the app's General Setup page. The default cart serves as the general cart for employees who don't have an individual cart assigned to them. You can define how users add items to a cart. The Add Directly option adds the item line to the cart immediately, without requiring any additional item details. The option User Input opens a dialog to specify item quantity, location, bin, and if the item line is recurring. A recurring item is added to a purchasing document for a specific vendor each time a document is created. You can use the Multiple Carts per User slider to assign multiple carts to a user. If you activate the slider Get Carts by Vendor, the item lines in the carts are sorted by vendors. Carts are distinguished by unique numbers, so you need to set up a number series. Setup complete. Beyond Carts is ready to go. Let's take a look at how Beyond Carts works. Once you're set up, the first step is to create your first cart. This is the cart page. You can either enter a number manually or use a suggested one from the Setup Number series. Then, add a description. If you'd like, you can also assign the cart to a user. Next, define the default behavior and specify whether the cart should be recurring. You can create as many carts as you need. You can add items to a cart on various ways. On the item card, we've added a new function to the menu bar. Click Add to Cart to open the cart selection dialog. Choose which cart you'd like to add the item to. In this example, we've selected User Input in the settings, so a dialog appears allowing you to enter additional details such as quantity, location, bin, and whether the item is recurring. You can also add items directly from sales orders. In this example, we're looking at a sales order with an item line. This item has a low stock at the selected location. Click Add to Cart, choose the cart, and then enter the quantity, location, and, if needed, the bin, and whether the item is recurring. If you're creating a purchase order for a specific vendor and realize you'd like to add more items, perhaps to reach a higher discount or to consolidate into a single shipment, you can easily add cart lines to your purchase order. Add your first item to the document. To add more, click Get Cart Lines, top left. In the Cart Lines window, select the desired items for the selected vendor and confirm to add them to the purchase order. The transferred item lines may come from various carts added by different employees. Just download Beyond Carts from App Source and start your 30 days trial. And if you are a Business Central partner, we're happy to welcome you as a reseller. This is Beyond It.